Hey, welcome back to another video of how to use Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to remove BitPay Wallet application from your device. First of all, find and locate BitPay application on your device. Then, long press on the application. You will find various options there. Now click on Remove Application tab. After that, you can click on Delete Application. If you click on Remove from Home Screen, the app will only be removed from your home screen, but not from your device. Now click on Delete Application button. Here you will see a prompt again. Click on Delete and the application will be deleted. You can also delete the application from your phone settings. Open your Settings application. Then go to General tab. Here you can find Storage option. After clicking on Storage option, you need to find the BitPay application here. If you cannot find it, simply search it at the search bar at the top. Here, type in the name of your application, BitPay. Then click on it. After that, click on Delete App option. Then confirm it once again. As you can see that the application has been removed. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.